Let's take a look at this question. How much revenue does Main Street Electronic recognize for the month ended April, assuming the revenue is accrued monthly? So we're accruing revenue monthly. Okay. Main Street sells computers and provide hardware maintenance. On April 1st, Main Street sold a package deal containing a computer and a 1-year unlimited maintenance repair service for the computer at a bundled price of $1,000. If sold separately, the computer would cost $660 and the 1-year unlimited maintenance repair would cost $540. How much revenue can we recognize for April? So a month later, how much revenue can we recognize? So here's what we're doing. We're selling computers. That's fine. That's one product, and we're selling a maintenance and repair service. So we have two products here, and they can be sold separately. We are told in the problem that, notice they have two different distinct prices. So this is maintenance and repair. Okay, so here's what we're saying. The computer by itself cost $660. The warranty is not the warranty. The maintenance and repair is $540. So let's see. So together, $1,200. But we're selling everything for $1,000. We're selling everything for $1,000. Now, since they can be sold separately, we have to allocate the $1,000 as two different products. How do we do so? Well, we're going to take $660 divided by $1,200 and $540 divided by $1,200. Why? We want to know how much of the contract goes to how much of the $1,000 goes to the computer and how much of it goes to the maintenance and repair. So let's take a look at this. 660 divided by 1,200. That's 55%. So 55% is for the computer, and obviously without doing the computation, 45% is for the maintenance and repair. Well, by the end of the month, what did we do by the end of the month? By the end of the month, we did deliver the computer because we sold it by April 1st. So by the end of the month, we can recognize $550 for the computer, 100%. We have a separate product, it's the computer itself, we deliver it. Therefore, as far as this part, we completed our portion of the contract, and that portion of the contract gives us $550. By the end of April, we also delivered 1 month worth of services to this company. Well, we said $550 goes to the computer, $450 to the contract maintenance and service. So we're going to take $450 multiplied by 112. Well, let's take 112 multiplied by 450. So if we take 1 divided by 12 times 450, we can recognize an additional $37.50. $37.50. This is for the contract. Therefore, our total revenue is $587.50 by the end of the month, and the answer is A. Also, if you are understanding this would also help you understanding if you understand this big picture. First of all, you cannot recognize all of revenue, so you could eliminate D. $45 does not make any sense to me. Okay, you could eliminate B too. So if you have to guess between 587 and 705, I would guess with 587 because part of the contract is on a monthly basis. Okay, so this is if you're doing this real quick.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.